Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to repair several BMW instrument clusters using SEI DISP146 replacement display. For this repair, you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown, and with the head of the pry tool, act on the plastic clips to remove the front cover. Fit the gauge face protective disc under the needles, which we remove with the head of the smaller end of the pry tool. Undo and remove the rear cover. Release the smaller board. Undo the two FPCs of the screen as shown. Release the second board as well. Remove the metal latches and, acting on the plastic clips with the tweezers, take the display out. Place the new LCD in its housing, carefully securing it as shown. Reattach the larger board. Plug back the two FPCs as they were originally. Reinsert the speedometer and RPM needles correctly, paying attention to the shaft slang as shown. With the head of the Minitel shim, bring them to the right level, then position them as they were originally. Repeat the operation for the fuel level and econometer needles. Reattach the smaller PCB and the rear cover. Fit the front cover. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto. Problem solved. Thank you for choosing Minitools.